Hello everyone, La Yang says Silicone Matters. Today I want to introduce to you 3 commonly silicone machines. This is 16. Oh no, it's 18 colors dispensing machine. Our current upgraded 18 colors machine. The clamping function on the table has been upgraded to automatic pneumatic mode, which will make it easier. You see just like this. Moreover, the entire tabletop has an automatic heating function to make the liquid material flow better after being dropped into the mold. Each of these clamping parts is precision machined, and the program here has also been upgraded. We require everything to be placed neatly. This batch of machines will be packed and shipped soon. These 2 machines are intelligent oven, which are used to bake the liquid material filled into the mold into shape. This machine that has been packaged in wooden boxes are silicone hydraulic molding machines, exactly 63-ton hydraulic molding vulcanizing with vacuum system, which more suitable for making 3D products and flat products. Thanks for your attention. The new machinery provides you the whole set of machines.